So I started working on this project on VS Code, and I'm trying to get it to work. So I have some people trying. So this is just an update to the random video generator. Oh yeah, this is my code. Please tell me if it's bad, because I need to make some improvements to it. If I do, tell me, because I'm trying to get it working. And yeah, um, so I don't know if it's gonna work, but I've been trying to update as much as possible because it's actually kind of important to what I'm doing right now. So I have a few backers. I think I'm gonna get a few, and just comment. I don't know. Just comment as frequently as possible if you want yourself to be in this list, because it will randomly pick a video on the in the so it just pick a random video, and that will actually happen. So right now I'm working on this. So it will, no matter how long I make this. So if you're an advertiser, if you need something advertised, um you need a video on here before launch date, which is gonna be in 2 weeks, next Saturday. I'm gonna launch the website. So if you want your name on the list before we start the actual website, we are going to do that, and that is actually what I'm doing right now. Um, yeah. So I've been doing that. So, if you want to watch me do the actually trying to get the people in, I could. But it's kind of boring to watch, so let me do that. So let's just work on this. So I actually did get someone pretty big to try and get this. You probably know him, right? So I'm trying to get into contact with him, and Withered, the one with the Crown SMP. I don't know if you've even watched one of his videos. I got him, and I got some other people into the stuff. So then, I was gonna get some more people, but I don't know if it would be that good or not. So that's about it for the updates with the random video generator. Just we might have to do this like once a month, once a week. I don't know. We're gonna do this as frequently as possible, so we're gonna get this every single second day. And if you have like a single question or anything about the random video generator, and you want to join the program, just message me or even comment on the video, and I'll see if you're suitable to be on the program for this. um just all you need to do is basically support my website and talk about it, and you will get into the area, which is what I'm trying to do. As you can see, I have really stupid names for some of the MP4. YouTube blur. I'm gonna probably blur that one out because I don't really want to see that one. But anyways, so I'm trying to get it to work. I had to do all this stuff to get it to work, and it honestly took a long time. But the thing is, I don't know if anyone will actually join this. So just message me. I don't know. Get your friends. Ask. I don't know. Just try if you really want to. Only know. So just if you want to, you can. I don't know. It's just I've been working on this for a long time, so I'm kind of tired of working on it. But I'm gonna watch this next Saturday, and just type your name in the comments, and boom, you're in. Just as soon as it's that Saturday, just say that you were on the list. Tell your audience, if you even have an audience, that you're now on my site, and that is about it for the first update, because this is just an introduction to the to the to the website goals. So yeah.